Okay, so in this trading session, let's compare trading with RSI crossing and trading with our own strategy, our proprietary trading strategy. Okay, so now if we had to trade by our strategy, we would have bought this market at 61.8 rather, and that is here. Now at 61.8, the RSI is still below 50, which means that why those who trade with RSI will be waiting for the market to cross 50. In fact, RSI was still at 37 when we saw our entry signal at 61.8 using our own strategy, and then now RSI crossed to above 50 on this candle or the previous candle here, whereas before that happened we would have made 172 pips profit trading by our own strategy. So that means that the strategy you learn with us is earlier spotting of trend entries even before the indicators will give you entry confirmation. So rather than waiting for entry confirmation on an indicator that might be late on entries, you can rely on this trading strategy that you will learn with us and have early spotting of entry opportunities. So you go in 200 pips before the indicator sees the trend. That is why this is the best trading strategy to rely on while trading volatility 100 index. And then if you trade in volatility 300 1 second index, the simple thing to remember is that in drawing your Fibonacci retracement tool with the 24 period setting, which is our own trading strategy, remember that your expansion width is 0.50 pips, while in trading volatility 100 index, the expansion width is 100 pips. So 100 pips from the average price when trading volatility 100 index and 0.50 pips from the average price when trading volatility 300 1 second index. This is our unique trading strategy known as momentum price projection trading strategy. Welcome.